Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to get a custom crosshair on Xbox on Fortnite. First thing first, use the monitor or TV features. Some gaming monitors and TVs come up with a built-in crosshair overlay, sometimes called game mode or crosshair overlay. Open your monitor and look for the setting under Gaming Tools or Game Enhancer. Enable Crosshair Overlay, then choose the style or color of the crosshair. The second method is to use an external crosshair device. You can buy a small device that connects via HDMI or USB and overlay a crosshair on your screen. Brands like Hori, Tactical Assault Commander or generic HDMI crosshair adapters. These are hardware solutions and work on Xbox, and the setup is usually plug and play. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.